master plan, who wrote my destiny. Only Jesus, he reigns supreme. Who